Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about saving files on the internet or the network overall. So we are doing a little comparison of cloud services and the actual network's attached storage, which is here, the old and classic one. We tend to these days have needs to store huge files about these projects and share them between us, and that gave me an idea that what is the price of a cloud service compared to actual NAS drive if we need a larger files to store and share. No, we are looking for services that provide much space. I'm talking about this is currently this has two 1 terabyte hard drives, so overall we're comparing the services that can offer 2 terabytes of storage. There are, if you don't need that much space, there are good free options available that you don't really need to pay from Google, from Apple. My idea is here to compare that could a cloud service replace the network storage, and what are the differences and what are the prices of those. The reason why you should think about the NAS storage drive is that you will always have the control in your hands. So if you fear that someone is trying to break in, you just disconnect it from the internet, secure, no one can touch it. The file transfers in your home network are fast. Of course, that depends on your home network. All of the brands these days, they have services available so that you can share files that you have here over internet to other users. And of course, the thing is that some of these are quite easy to update. So if you need more space, not all. The ancestor model that I have here has that option. So you yank out the hard drive and replace it with a bigger one. Easy solution.
Now, is this easy to break?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bear in mind that not every NAS drive has option that you can actually change the drives. For setting this up, NAS storage requires a little bit of knowledge of what you are doing, so it's something that you may not be able to do without support. It's quite easy, but if you're not sure what you're doing, you might have to seek help on that. Okay, then why you should think about the cloud service? The cloud service is you don't have to worry anything that is concerning the physical well-being of this device. Your server is located, your storage is located in a server hall where someone is always maintaining them, so you don't need to make sure that they have enough power to run, they are connected and anything like that. Someone else is doing that. It's very easy to set up. You just need to give your credit card and pay, and after that you will have access to the storage, and in most cases you can share the files freely around the service. Okay, let's talk about pricing. The cheapest NAS storage that you can get with 2 terabytes is somewhere between 150 or 200 euros. Now, bear in mind that at the moment in this, I'm not counting the price of electricity or the data transfers, anything like that. So this is just for the pure device and the hard drives. These go way up to 1,000 euros depending on what you need, but with 200 euros you will most likely perform just well. When we're talking about the cloud services, we were benchmarking the monthly prices. You can get these cheaper if you make a yearly plan, but all of these companies did not have that option available. So based on the calculations that I did on the prices that is available online, after 2 or 3 years, depending on service, this will be cheaper. So if you're looking for a long-lasting and a cheaper option for storing and sharing your files, like I said, we're talking about 2 terabytes of storage here, this will be the solution for you. But bear in mind that this requires you to do some manual work setting it up and sharing the files and everything like that, so it's not so easy. But if you are looking for an easy way out, then the cloud services are better, because you just need to get in your credit card and they do everything basically for you. But in the long run that will be very expensive. I was a little bit surprised that basically after 2 years, well, 2 or 3 years, like I said, depending on the service, this will be cheaper. But like I said, one thing that you have to consider beside the price is that you have to service and maintain this. So if your hard drive breaks or the device breaks, you have to get a new one or replace it or get a replacing part. This we had for 8 years, still running, no issues. So these are quite long lasting, even in my hands. Good. But final comments, if you don't need 2 terabytes of storage, if you can run with less, you can get free plans from all of the major companies. But if you're looking for sharing bigger files and storing bigger files, overall, this is the way to go. A little information and comparison to you guys. Thank you once again for watching. Bye bye.